Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox this Technuv action camera which is available on Flipkart for 1000 rupees. As you can see, this is the box that has come from Flipkart. It was little damaged here and there was no seal on it. Let me still unbox it for you and I'll show you what's there inside. Before that, let me take you through what's written on this box. As you can see, it says it's an HD action camera with waterproof case. As you can see, it says the video resolution is full HD, that is 1920 by 1080 at 15 fps, and it also says that it has an option of 1280 by 720 at 30 fps. It says it's a wide angle 170 degree, but again it also says it's a 130 degree. So there's a mismatch here. I don't know what's inside when we turn on the camera. It has a 2-inch LCD and it says it has a battery backup till 1.5 hours, that is 1.5 hours. So let me quickly unbox this for you. So as you can see, the box was already damaged, so there is nothing much to open from there. I take it out, I keep the box aside. So this is what has come for 1000 rupees. Let me keep the action camera aside and see what mounts they have given along with it. Let me see. So this is a handlebar mount, as you can see. Then there is one 3M adhesive mount with this. This is a tripod mount and it's a good option to have. Then they have the tripod mount, the normal tripod mount. They have one more case, the open case. They've given an L-shaped mount, as you can see, and a data cable. There is no charger, it's only the data cable that they have given. You can charge it through USB, and there is this velcro tapes, the velcro tapes. So now coming back to the action camera, so we'll keep this aside. This is the action camera. So as you can see, the build quality of this case is good. It's pretty much at par with most of the action cameras that we see. It's good. And how it opens from here. On the top you have got a lock, you lift it, the back panel can be opened and you take out the action camera. Oh, this action camera is very light, बहुत ही light है, I can tell you. It's very light, looks like an Ecan action camera, same body, everything looks same, and the fit and finish is good. And let me switch it on and let's see. So it's getting switched on. Okay, so this is it, and the quality is not very great, as I can tell you. And though it's showing 1080p, but I don't think it's an HD action camera. If you go to the settings here, it shows 1080, but no, it's not a HD action camera. It pretty much looks like a VGA. I will put a clip in the end of this video to show the quality of this camera at daylight. You cannot anyways expect too good quality at night, but if it does a decent job in day, then this is good as a 1000 rupees action camera. In the website it was mentioned as a 170 degree viewing angle, but here is the box and clearly states it's a 130 degree viewing angle. So this camera is not a 170 degree viewing wide angle, it's a 130 degree angle. And I will also put a video, as I said, in the end, so you can make it out if it is an HD camera or not. So this is it, there's nothing much to show. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe.